Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. The first one what we should do is a check if you have the last software version. So open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. This one. Now you need to click at the three dots at the left top, and right here we have upgrade firmware, so you need to click on it. Firmware is the same as software, so it's okay. Now I have the information that I have the last software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see a button download. You just click on it and wait until this update is finished. Now if it didn't help you or you haven't new version, next one what I recommended to do is to place your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Then wait about 15 seconds and the battery level of your earbuds and the charging case will update. So after that you just open it and check. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!